Hello everybody. So today I will be showing you an open source alternative to Adobe Reader. Now we all know Adobe is not a very ethical company. It has been in news lately for its unethical practices and its questionable programs. But also Adobe Reader is a very heavy resource hungry application, and it causes our PC to crash sometimes, or simply cause it to lag. Now the application in this video I will be talking is Sumatra PDF. It's an open source application, and currently it is only available for Windows. As you can see, it is its official website. um, this is how it looks, and these are some of its download options. Now let me straight take you to the application. um, this is I- if you open, this is the, yeah, this, just wait, sorry. Yes, this is the application. This is not a very heavy application, very lightweight. And another application, open source, is Ocular. But if you are kind of tight on budget, or if you have a slightly low end PC, then you might not want to use it. First of all, the download size it is 280 MB, I think, and also it downloads from the Microsoft Store, so that might cause your PC to crash sometimes, or simply get lag. So this is how it looks on the home screen. These are the frequently opened app files, and this is how it looks when you are opening any file. There are some settings. You can change the view, like you can change the view to single page or double page. Like if you have single page, this will be called, and with minus button or plus button you can change the size of the file, of the view. You can also change it to the continuous. If you press C, it will only it will make it continuous, mm, non-continuous, and if you press C again, it will make continuous. The benefit of having non-continuous is that if you press down uh, enough time, it will not go to the next page, unless you press the left or right button. But the benefit of non continuous view is that you can simply scroll or press and drag the mouse, and it will simply change the page. They both have their own benefit. I like the two book view, and sometimes I use the continuous, sometimes I use non-continuous form. uh, so this is a very light on computer application. It doesn't cause your computer to hang. It only has the bare minimum, the functions which you will need, and it doesn't have the extra a lot of things which you will not use. uh, uh, if you don't have very high, if you don't have very heavy usage, this is a very good application for you, and it is also open source. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.